Park Dry Cleaners, only dry cleaning business in the city, Mount Gambier, South Australia. This well-known, long-established leasehold business in Mount Gambier is now available through Herbert Commercial. Located in the CBD, Park Dry Cleaners was established 60 years ago and a secure 15-year lease is available. Overlooking Vansittart Park, with easy car parking, this is the only dry cleaning business in the city. The upgraded equipment includes a new Bow P18 and Bow M18 dry cleaning machine and recently installed Electrolux washer. Further rationalisation of the dry cleaning business in Mount Gambier will see this leading business enhance and grow its clientele. This increase in trade is reflected in higher income, so grab this rare opportunity to purchase a monopoly business now.